CQRS explained, split reads and writes in .NET. As an application grows, reads and writes pull in different directions. Reads want speed and flexible shapes, while writes need validation and strict rules. CQRS splits them into two separate models. A command changes state and returns nothing meaningful. A query reads state and never changes it. Separating the two makes every operation's intent crystal clear. Commands flow through handlers that validate input, apply business rules, and then persist the change. Each command has exactly one handler that owns that behavior. Queries skip the rich domain model and read straight from a fast, read-optimized store, often shaped exactly the way the screen needs it. A mediator dispatches each request to its matching handler. Controllers stay thin and never depend on the logic directly. At scale you can use two databases. Writes go to the source of truth, then a projection updates a separate read store tuned for fast queries. The read store can lag the write store by a few milliseconds. Design the experience to tolerate that small delay, and CQRS scales beautifully. CQRS shines for complex domains and read-heavy systems. For simple create read update delete screens it is overkill, so keep those simple. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your team, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And consider subscribing. Your support is what motivates me to keep creating more content like this. Thank you for watching.